Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we are making spinach and artichoke dip. Yes, this is going to be the very best one you have eaten, y'all. So I will leave that recipe link down below for you to try. Before we get started though, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up so that you can be notified of my future uploads, y'all. Now let's go ahead and get started.
So to get started, I'm going to take about 4 cups of fresh spinach and I'm going to season it lightly with salt and pepper. Now you could sub all of this fresh spinach out in this recipe for frozen spinach. Either way, you want to make sure you drain all of the excess water out of the spinach. So once my spinach is cooked, I set it aside, let it cool, and then I'll go ahead and drain all of that excess water out before I move on to the next step. Once that's done, I'm going to take my cream cheese and I'm going to place it in my mixing bowl here. And I'm just going to mix this until it's light and fluffy. Once my cream cheese is nice and whipped, then I'll add in all of my mayo and my sour cream. And if you didn't have any sour cream on hand, you could substitute this with about a half a cup of buttermilk. And I've done it before and I'm telling you, you can't even taste the difference. So after I've mixed in the sour cream and the mayo, then I'll go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add in all of my minced garlic, my onion. I'll season it with salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. And then once that's done, I'll add in all of my spinach and my artichokes. And I'm just going to fold these in lightly and then I'll add in most of my cheese. So I'm just going to use my spatula here and just make sure I fold in all of the ingredients really well. And then we'll go ahead and start layering this in our baking dish. Now, as you may know, we get a little bit extra around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of my dip to the bottom of my baking dish. Then I'm going to top it with more mozzarella cheese. Yes, we're going to put some more mozzarella cheese layered in between here. And then I'm going to add more spinach dip and finally top it with mozzarella cheese and parmesan cheese. All right, and then once I'm done topping it with cheese, I'm going to pop this in the oven at about 375 degrees for 20 minutes. Now, once the dip is done, I garnish it with a little bit of chopped parsley and I serve it immediately. And you don't even want to wait to serve this dip. It is really good. It's super rich. It's super cheesy. It's hands down the best spinach and artichoke dip. That is going to wrap up this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.